Okay, so I'm logging in Thrivecart as a product vendor. Okay, so for that, okay, I want to go to the affiliate section. So this is the affiliate section. Okay, so you have the overview, your affiliate performance, what is your top product, okay, your top affiliate. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so you can see your payout. The menu payout, how much is that? Overdue, and due commission and automatic payment. So upcoming and payment, due date, okay. So we see how many paid here, okay. So and also my affiliate, okay. So this is one of my test account for my affiliate. So you can inside here, then you can see what is the product we have. I have already approved him. Okay, so what is the commissions? Then what is the payout? Okay, so inside here, effort options. This is the effort link. Okay, and also I can set a custom commission for him. Let's say I want to give him a special commission. If not, I just remove it, and then this is for maybe for your special affiliate, top affiliate, okay? So second tier, so you can set a second tier affiliate so that they can help you to promote. So maybe another 5% or 10% for each of the sales, okay? So we can revoke the access, okay? So this is the function here, quite powerful. And quite easy to set, okay. So you can this also, you can see the sales stage for this product, how much for product, how much for bump, okay. Okay, final overview. Okay, so again back to the profile. Okay, so let me go back from here. So from product option, you can edit your sign up page. So the sign up page is you can edit the headline, sign up today, edit, put in a video there. Okay, edit body text. Okay, also request a field. You want to collect the address, telephone number, Skype name. You want to add in your term and condition or complete your form or text form from US. Okay, so basically this is based on the template to change. Okay. Okay, so get the sign up. So you still have other function like promo material, and then you can have put in your site file, then okay, video, HTML code, okay, and some words. Okay, you can also white hat and backlist. Okay, add affiliate to your upper whitelist here. Okay, and backlist certain affiliate. Okay, so you can set rules. Okay, to connect, sign up for any of my product. Use my education, be it MailChimp or those kind of things. This is mainly what to do after they sign up. Okay, so basically it's like that. Let me show you the setup link. Okay, the setup link is like that. Let me grab the link. Okay, okay, I already grab the link. So oops. Okay, so I go to another browser. Okay, because can't share the same page. Okay, so this is sign up today. So this is the thing here. Okay, so else you can change. Let me do some changes here. Please sign up now. Okay, video. Let me get a YouTube link. Okay, this is a task for the task. Okay, so that I know what's right. Okay, I agree to this term. Okay, change. Oh, sorry, I think I didn't show that. Okay, uh, let me share again. So just now I have edited the headline. Okay, please sign up now to please sign up now. Okay, I haven't add the video. So this is a task body text. Shall write. Okay, so I just agree to this term. That. Yes. Okay, so this is the field, FA, address, phone number, Skype. Okay, so let me save it. And okay, let me get a video. Okay. Okay, so this is okay. Video and record. Let me okay. Do you want to play this video? No. Okay. Save change. Okay, let me change the browser. Okay, let me refresh this page. Okay, so the video not coming out, so I have to check on that. But I think you got what I mean. Okay, so okay. Oh, okay. It came out. So the impact caught it is slow. Don't know why. Okay, so so we have your video here. Okay, okay, interesting. And switch back to my okay. So okay, I think that's all on the affiliate platform. Hope this help you. Okay.